Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google Finance in Java, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video, also in this project, also like enjoying my all the previous projects. If you enjoy this video, so please hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and after that also share this video with your friends and family members if they like, because they can also get a chance to learn coding and programming languages, and they can also land a job in future when they will work with that. And you can also check my previous video if you're checking this advanced course. If you are just a beginner programmer of Java, so please check my first of all beginner courses, then move to advanced or intermediate, because it will be really difficulty for you. If you directly move to advanced, you will be not understanding the basic things of Java which I have tell in the starting. So please learn starting things, then move to forward of intermediate and advanced, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also like you're enjoying. So now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building one Google Finance in Java. So before starting the project, I want to show you how our Google Finance looking and how we'll be just making in that. So it will be really, it will be just really good idea for you, and you will be understanding what we'll be just making in the end. So here just I'll be opening my Google Chrome, because in that I have opened my Google Finance. It is a new app coming in Google, so I will be just making that here. In Google Apps, it is just new app. If you check that on Google Finance, here you can check many of the rates of countries, or you can say currencies and many other things. You can see currencies, crypto, and other things are also coming. So you can see that in Google Finance, we are just first of all getting the like side menu. You can say burger menu, like we get in all apps which we have just made since here of Google Finance we are today making. And after that, we are getting the logo of Google Finance written. Here we are just getting the background of not like white color. We are just getting white color, and then after that we are just getting Google Apps button at the right side, and with that we are just getting our Gmail icon. Like if you put any of the picture on your Gmail, so it will be appearing here, or you have put any other thing, so it will be appearing. And when you will be hover on that, so your name and mail address will be showing here. You can also sign into like old, or you can say demo account of your. And if I just move here, you can see that we are just getting compare market, US, Europe, Asia, currencies, crypto, and you can see that many of the like currencies of crypto are just coming. If I scroll down, so you will be getting a search box also here. You can search for stocks or many other things, and then you will be getting, you may be interested like if you are interested in these things, you can check that out here, which is just coming. And we are just also getting some of the PayPal, Coinbase, and other big companies from which you can just take money or give them by taking like loan or anything like that. And you can also see that today financial news, like you can search about it from here. And I live in Pakistan, so because of that all the news of Pakistan are coming. In which country you live, so it will be all the news will be coming here of every country, you can see. So here I'm just getting this point telegraph, and you can see that many other things we are getting. Then you can see these are some of the like people who are just really like rich person in the world. And if I scroll down, so you can also see the market trends, what are just now most active. You can see the gainers, losers, trending, like though what is trending in our Google Finance, you can see that. And then if I scroll down, you can also discover more things from here, like you can check many other rates of everything here. Then we are getting the Google icon in the end also. Then footer section like help, send feedback, privacy terms, disclaimer. You can also take it to top if you want to, but I've just put it in footer so it will be easy to understand for you. So now we'll be starting to make. So simply I'll be opening my VS Code here. I've already opened. You can install that from Google. Just you have to simply write VS Code. Then first link will be appearing to install of that. Taking a new file here, and I'll be saving this file with the name of like we are building in Java. So I'll be writing app.js. So we have just saved our file in Java, and I'll be saving local disk app, because in that I am having too much space. So here I will be zoom in, so you can just see my code which I will be writing down. Here I will be first of all making a div tag. So write here div class name equals to. So here I will be writing app like my file name again, and here I will be doing like moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which should be like navbar. Then you have to change that to selection equals to view. Here when you've done that, close this tag now. Then I will be writing a tag which should be like navbar dot selection dot view. Then I will be closing again. Here move, and then move down. Then here you have to write atomics. Here I will be writing animate equals to help. When you've done that, close this tag here. Here I'll be writing atomics.animate.help. Close this tag now. Then I will be moving down. So here you have to do one thing. Move down now. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like audio context equals to use. When you've done that, close this tag now. Here I will be writing audio.context.use. Close this tag again. When you've done with that, move down here and then I will be writing a tag which will be like source event equals to, then I'll be writing media. Here you have to close this tag now. You have to write source dot event dot media. Close this again. Now we have done that, so here I'll be moving down again. Then I will be writing event. So just write event media equals to map. So write that here. And when you've done that, close this tag. Here I'll be writing event dot media dot map. So here I will be closing now. Then I'll be moving in the last and moving down by pressing enter. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like listener file equals to add. Then close this. Here I'll be writing listener dot file dot add. Here I'll be closing this. Then when you're done with that, I'll be moving down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here node. Then I'll be writing delay. Here I will be writing data. Then I will be closing this tag. Here I will be writing node. So here I will be writing that, and here I will be writing delay data. Then I will be closing this tag now. Then I will be moving down again. Here I will be writing param payment equals to gateway, because I want to check the gateway of that. Here I will be now writing param dot payment dot gateway. So now we have to mention that what we are making here. So I'll be writing Google finance equals to, okay, so finance spelling was incorrect. Now it is good. So here I will be writing script, because it's Java we are just making, so we have to define a script. Now I will be defining the things here, finance dot script. Then close this here. Now when you're done with that, here I will be just moving down again. Then I will be writing here schedule. So just write that. Here I will be writing audio equals to sound. Close this tag here. Then I will be writing schedule dot audio dot sound, and here I'll be writing audio dot sound. Now it is good. Close this tag here. Move forward, move down. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like here destination. So right here destination, and then when you've done that, here I'll be writing folder. So right here folder filter here, and when you've done that, I'll be just closing this tag now. So close that. Now when you've done that, just move here, make curly bracket. Here I'll be writing destination dot folder dot filter. Then you have to close this tag. Here when you're done with that, now I'll be moving forward. Here I'll be writing filter. Then you have to change that to editor equals to, then write open. Close this tag here. Here I'll be writing filter dot editor dot open. Then you have to close. Here when you're done with that all things, just simply I'll be saving this file. And if I show you in the Google Chrome, so our Google Finance project should be just ready. Simply I'll be opening my Google Chrome. You can see that there it is, our Google Finance project which we want to make is now ready. You can see we are just getting the menu bar here at the left side. Here we are just getting Google Finance written, and then at the back we are also getting the like white color, you can see that at the background. Then we are getting this background image, or you can say wallpaper, which we have put here in our in our this Google Finance. Here we are getting Google Apps icon and this icon of like Gmail which we have put, and then we can also search some of the things which we have to search here. Then the things like we may interest in will be just appearing here, earnings calendars, and you can also see the popular stocks. Here if I scroll down, you will be getting today financial news about your country, and you can also take it to watch list, or you can create new watch list to add more things in that. And if I see at the right side, you will be getting most followed one, like most followed thing which are on a very famous company on Google. So because of that, many of the people are just following that. And you can also see after it we are getting alphabet I and C class A, which is just also followed. It is on second one. And then you can also see how many US dollar increases per day, or you can say per month or per week. You can see that. And then you can also see why Tom Hanks, Jeff Bezos offered to fly into space. You can see that all things, because that will be really helpful for you. And if I scroll down, you can see the market trends also, you can discover more things with these all like rates which are just coming. You can check many of the rates here. You can see Microsoft Corporation put these rates here, and many other things you will be getting here, you can see. So like that you can build your own Google Finance project in Java. So I hope you understand how to build one Google Finance project in Java, and I hope you also enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, because it's really motivate me to make more this video and do more hard work for you in coming up future. And I hope you are learning more than enough things from these project which we are doing of 10 minutes. And previously on, I have also uploaded many of the tutorials and clones and websites which I make in React and JavaScript. You can check that out, because that will be also really helpful for you, and I hope you will be learning more than enough things from that. Also check my HTML course, because that will be also really helpful for a beginner. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.